Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, shares similarities with Earth in size and density, but beyond that they diverge dramatically. Get ready to explore its hellish landscape. Venus suffers from a runaway greenhouse effect. Massive amounts of carbon dioxide trap heat, resulting in surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Venus' atmosphere is incredibly dense, about 90 times that of Earth's. It's primarily carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid, no breathable air here. The surface pressure on Venus is equivalent to being nearly a kilometer deep in Earth's ocean. Any unprotected probe would be crushed in moments. Venus is covered in volcanoes and lava flows. While active volcanism isn't definitively proven today, evidence suggests it's geologically active. Despite being bombarded by space rocks, Venus has relatively few impact craters. This suggests a young surface likely resurfaced by volcanic activity. Venus rotates in the opposite direction of most other planets in our solar system. A retrograde rotation, the cause is still debated. Surprisingly, a day on Venus is longer than its year. It takes longer for Venus to rotate once than it does to orbit the Sun. Venus' upper atmosphere exhibits superrotation, where winds circulate the planet much faster than the planet itself rotates. Scientists have detected evidence that may indicate lightning in Venus' atmosphere. However, it's a complex and debated topic. Unlike Earth, Venus lacks a global magnetic field. This makes its atmosphere vulnerable to the solar wind. Without a magnetic field, the solar wind directly interacts with Venus' atmosphere, stripping away particles over time. Evidence suggests that Venus may have once had liquid water on its surface. The runaway greenhouse effect likely evaporated it long ago. The Soviet Venera missions were the first to land on Venus and send back images from the surface, albeit briefly. Due to the extreme conditions, the Magellan spacecraft used radar to map Venus' surface, revealing its volcanic plains, mountains and impact craters hidden beneath the clouds. The European Space Agency's Venus Express Orbiter studied Venus' atmosphere, cloud structure and surface temperatures in detail. Japan's Akatsuki spacecraft is dedicated to studying Venus' atmospheric dynamics and weather patterns. It provides valuable data on superrotation. NASA's Da Vinci and Veritas missions are planned to explore Venus in greater detail, focusing on its atmosphere geology and potential habitability. Da Vinci will plunge through Venus' atmosphere, analyzing its composition and structure as it descends to the surface. Veritas will use radar to create a high-resolution map of Venus' surface, revealing its geological features and volcanic activity with unprecedented detail. Venus features heavily deformed regions called tesserae. Their origin and formation are still a puzzle for planetary scientists. The extreme conditions on Venus make it inhospitable to life as we know it. However, some speculate about microbial life in the upper atmosphere. Terraforming Venus to make it Earth-like is a massive challenge, requiring drastic measures to reduce the greenhouse effect and change the atmosphere. Venus serves as a stark reminder of the potential consequences of a runaway greenhouse effect. It highlights the importance of addressing climate change on Earth. Exploring Venus presents significant technological challenges due to the extreme temperatures, pressures, and corrosive atmosphere. Robust probes are essential. Venus occupies a crucial position in our solar system, providing insights into planetary formation, evolution, and the potential for habitability elsewhere. Studying Venus teaches us valuable lessons about how planets evolve and how their environments can change dramatically over time. Despite the challenges, continued exploration of Venus promises to unveil more of its secrets and deepen our understanding of our solar system. With upcoming missions like Da Vinci and Veritas, the future of Venus exploration is bright. We are on the verge of unlocking new insights into this fascinating planet. Venus, though similar to Earth, in some respects stands as a world apart. Its extreme conditions offer a unique and compelling case study in planetary science.